Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. Please watch this video to the end, and if you like it, then support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video, I will tell you about a cryptocurrency called Cardano and tell you the price forecast for the future. What do you think the maximum price of Cardano will be in 2021? Write your answers in the comments. Cardano is a decentralized platform that allows you to perform complex programmable value transfers in a secure and scalable manner. Founded by Charles Hoskinson, its development began in 2015 under the leadership of Charles Hoskinson, and in 2017, during the ICO, the project received $60 million in funding. Hoskinson is also known as one of the founders of Ethereum. Previsiony Bitcoin predicts that Cardano could be worth up to $5.90 by the end of 2021 and even make the more outrageous prediction that it will be worth $4.48 by April. While this seems impossible given its current price, the cryptocurrency market is notoriously unpredictable, and anything can actually happen. The long forecast predicts a peak of $1.63, while the trading beasts predict $1.78. Blockchain technology will gain more trust and traction from users, and if CoinSwitch believes that Cardano could touch $2.16 by 2023. In addition to the 12-month price forecast, Wallet Investor also has a long-term forecast for Cardano, in which it sees the token reach $1.88 by December 2022 and finally move to $2 by 2023. Digital Coin also predicts an increase in the price of the token and expects that in 2022 it will be worth $2.28, and by 2023 it will reach $2.55. Coinliker.com predicts that Cardano will be worth $3.31 by 2023 and reach $5.35 by 2025. Coinpedia believes that ADA coins will start 2022 at $12, and it is possible that by the end of this year it will be trading around $22, as new developments and additional investment can spur its price growth. Previsiony Bitcoin is optimistic in its forecasts, as it expects Cardano to reach $7.80. In 5 years or more, Cardano may achieve a greater victory, as many partnerships and integrations are planned in the future. This will have a positive impact on the ADA in the long run. Cardano may even rise in the rankings and establish itself as one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. By 2025, Cardano could reach $2.88. It can even touch the $3 mark. In the next 5 years, by 2025, Wallet Investor expects the asset to trade at $2.94 by the end of 2025. 11 News sees Cardano reaching $15, while the coin price forecast predicts it will be worth $7.17. DG's long-term forecast is that the ADA will be worth about $3.68 by 2025 and expects it to finally cross the $5 mark in 2028, when it will reach $5.53. Coinpedia's optimism about the Cardano price extends to its long-term outlook, and it also expects the currency to be worth $100 by the end of 2021. Adam Webb, the author of Smarterium, believes that ADA has a bright future and expects it to be worth about $10 in the next 5 years. Cryptoground.com predicts that the Cardano price will reach $1.57 in 2022, and by 2025 it will be worth $3.87. The Cardano price today is $1.62 USD with a daily trading volume of $3.715 billion USD. Cardano is down by 0.59 in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap rating is number 5 with a market capitalization of $51.760 billion USD. The circulating supply is 31.93 billion ADA coins and the maximum supply is 45 billion ADA coins. Cardano is one of the most efficient cryptocurrencies with good potential. However, this should not be taken as investment advice, and if you are thinking about investing, it is always recommended that you do a thorough research before making any such decisions. What do you think will be the price of Cardano by the end of this week? Write your answers in the comments.